Hello everyone. Today I would like to show how to repaint the walls and make them look good and as new. Just before to paint, there need to prepare everything, and that's there you can see the cracks are closed, but still there is some cracks in the corners. What we do, you need to take the knife. The knife must be enough sharp and enough long to make it work easy. You see there is cracks looking not nice. What we do, we just take the knife and cut like that all the way down and all the way up. You cut from the one side and then you cut from the other side like this. Then just get out all this old stuff. Then we can take them sanding sponge and just few times do like this. Everything is out. After we take acrylic, yes, and go here. We fill the corners with the acrylic. Like that. When it's done, when all the corners are filled, you can start to remove the acrylic. I am using my fingers because I can feel them, and it's you do like that. But before to do that, make your finger or hands just put in the water to make them wet. It will be easy. That's we do like this. Do like this. After you just wash and do again. There is somebody doing with the this job with the sponge like this. The sponge must be also wet. Then you go in the corner and like this. I will show you with the sponge. It looks like this, and then you clean the and the result is it's okay, it's good, it looks much better. And this is already finished like this. When it's done, you can start the painting, but of course you can't start the painting after few minutes. Better to start the painting next day. And for the painting, I suggest to choose the rolls. I will show you the difference. The difference is the roll. Do you see the difference? This roll, when you will roll on the walls, it will leave the lines behind them, because the corners are not cut. For this one, the corners is cut, and you not will have the lines when you will roll on the wall. Yeah, that's size 25 centimeters, and the same it's for the small one. For the small one, the same. There is cotton like this. Just it's easy for the not professionals as me. I am not the professional builder, just I would like to show this video and that you can do many things by yourself. This corners I'll show is finished, fill it with acrylic, and here we can start the painting. What we do first, this is all the prepared rolls. First we go in all corners like this, and very important that all rolls, everything must be wet with the color, not dry. It's no reason to paint with the dry when it's not color on the roll. We do like this. After we move the big one on the side, then we take the small one. You see, the paint must leak like that, and you roll a few times, and then you can go in the corners like this. And all the way down and all the way up. Then we can go to the second corner and do the same. Of course, before painting you must put the scotch, otherwise all the windows will be colored, painted. Yes, again we take this and again. And when you use the scotch, I suggest to not buy the cheapest one, because after it is the problem to get it off. I don't know, I'm using like this one. This one is good. Then when the corners, we will finish this one. Wow, it's sunny. And here like this one. You finish with the small roll, you can take the big one. Also the color, the paint must leak like that. And after it's ready to put on the wall. When I'm painting the first time, of course, must paint all the corners. All the corners like this. You see there is some factor which is not good. Then you go as close as possible and like this. But in the corners you push it like this, push it like this, and after you go here, like this. When you will finish all the corners in this way, after a couple of hours, 3-4 hours, you can start the paint the first time all the wall. One more time, step by step. Before the painting, you need to wash all the walls. You don't need to take off, remove the old color, of course. Then next, you need to check the corners if there is cracks, like I was here. Yes, just take the knife from one side and the other side and cut them off. After, you take acrylic and fill the corner. Like this. To smooth out the acrylic, we can use, there is two ways. We can use a finger or the sponge. With the finger it looks like that. Finger must be wet. You just put in the water and then smooth out. With the sponge also must be wet. You just take the sponge like this, do like this, and go in the corner and smooth it out. When it's done, I suggest to start painting next day, when acrylic is dry. To start painting, you need to paint corners, and we do like this, just all corners. After, we take small roll. It's already done here, but and here also, just you go with the small roll like this, and all the corners. The corners must look like that. That's the first layer, but after the second it will be much better. And of course, you must paint, if you have the window, you must paint outside corners also, like this. And when all the corners will be painted, you can start to paint all the wall the first time. After that, it need to do second time or even 3 times. All inside, outside corners are painted. Also, where is the electricity switches, I suggest to paint 2 or 3 times, because after you will touch with the hands, and it will be more better to paint 2 or 3 times. Just left to do is down corners, and we take like this, not like this, because you will get the dust on the roll, and after they will go on the wall. We do this way. And when all down is painted, you can start to paint all the surface with the biggest roll. Usually I take from the middle, like this, and then down, get up. You see, the roll is already dry. You need to take again the color. And again. And just don't do this or this or this. You see? You must push the roll and let him roll like this. Of course, it's easy to use the stick. What I will do later, and also on the ceilings, need to use the stick to paint them. We can see that walls are painted first time. It's look like this. Corners looks also good. Fill it with acrylic, no cracks. Yes, there is just small difference in corners. It's darker, but don't worry, after second time it will be good and will look nice. Just before to paint second time, it's better to check the surface, and if there is some bumps, as we see there, I take the finish fine filler, usual finish fine filler, and we just do like this. And after 2-3 hours you can use the sanding sponge and brush it, and after you can paint second time. I want to show you if you have something like this. You can paint in the same color as the walls. Don't scare, just paint, and that will look in same color as the walls. And after second time it will look good. This one also I will paint, but for the moment that the first one. That's the result after second time of the painting. All the areas looks good. Corners is good. Here we go there. It looks nice. Here all these also painted in same color. Here yes, it looks nice. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And thanks for the watching. Like this is looking vinyl installed diagonalic version. I finished all first floor, and that's something like that. And there is also going to the kitchen. In other previous videos I show it how I did it, and if you need any recommendations how to do that, you can just ask me, and thanks for the watching.